Hey guys, welcome back my Tater Tots. Today I'm going to be playing Airplane Story 3. If you don't know, stories are kind of just like, you go through a little, I don't know, no. Oh, okay, never mind. You go through like a little, like they tell you a story, but you're like in the story. So it's pretty cool, but this one's about airplanes, which is always great. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Yes, I am. Oh, there it is. Airplane 3. I'm the Robloxia State's Army General. Okay. You can call me General Poncho. Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order, or else you will be expelled from the team. Now, please take a seat. Okay. Let's get to the point. Uh-oh. What's going on? A man. This is our target. Oh, it's probably a bad dude, isn't it? His name is Ronald. Okay. We have investigated. All we know is he is what? What did he say? Oh, he is a dangerous something. I don't know. That is where we are heading. Okay. Yes, Ronald has kidnapped the captain of the airplane. What? They'll crash. Everyone in that plane must be in danger. And that's right. Luckily, the plane is still flying autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. You know what? I'm going to give him a voice. We will need to find Ronald's inventions and bring him into justice. I don't know. I think that's what he said. Okay. Good question. Follow me. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at this. What, would you move? Oh, okay, sorry. What? Sir, you're not moving. Oh, never mind. Okay. Okay. Everyone ready? Wow, I'm really bad at making voices. I'm sorry. Let's give him a different voice. Think. Going down. Does that sound good? I'm not sure. You know what? So that I probably don't embarrass myself, I'm just not gonna give him a voice. I'm sorry. I just don't want to mess up or anything. Let me out. Let me. You're facing the wrong way. Welcome to the military cave. Yay, fun. Military. Ooh, it's a airplane. That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald. Okay. What if it's Ronald McDonald? But first, let's get everyone set up. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. What? Please take one behind you. But if I look great in this. Okay, fine. Ooh, there's pink ones. Oh, I want this one. I don't want that pink one. Wait, what about this one? Never mind. Cancel that. No. Hey, I'm the coolest of them all. I have a car with me. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Okay, let's check on the system. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. Kind of obvious. This is how all stories go. We will need to fill the plane completely before we can take off. Of course we do. That is a fuel nozzle. There is 4 of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. Okay, I will fill the tank once all the nozzles are placed. Okay, let's go get that one. Sorry if you hear a lot of background noises. It's my brother and my mom. Wait, how do I get to it? Oh, probably right here. I'm so dumb. Come on. This way. Boop. This way, friend. This way. And it's blue. So we take it to the blue. There we go. Excellent. All the nozzles are connected. That was easy. Even better, there's 4 people in the game, so it was probably going to get everyone. Filling the tank now. Oh no, I'm getting thirsty. No, not for fuel, but like literally thirsty. Okay, now we're ready. Can we get in? Oh, I thought we could get in. Okay. Almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. What if he's that Ronald person in disguise? He will be your pilot throughout the mission. Okay. System ready, General. Please start the engine. I need to show up at the front. Alright. Where am I? Let me sit. Scared me. Closing the door, prepare for takeoff. Okay. Oh no. Oh, okay. Get a good view. Or not. Gotta remember the bananas being here. We're now flying in the... What? Okay. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. There is something about this Ronald guy. What if you're the Ronald guy? Dun dun dun. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that? General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. You're probably Ronald person. No, I have a banana. No, why would you eat the banana? Actually, it looks great. You might need energy for later. Okay. We're all gonna die. Food poisoning. Wait! Don't eat the banana. It's poisoned. Of course it is. What? We're all dying. I'm just kidding. Oh, what? Of course it's an old prank. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Anyways, we will be flying for a few more hours. And then someone gets like belly problems. You might as well take a chill or nap. Might as well. Okay, never mind. I'll wake you up when it's time. Okay. Hello. I feel sitting here. No, actually, I'm going to be the first one to die. What if someone wakes up dead? Now that would be a story. Yes, it's night. I want to jump out. Time to wake up, everyone. Okay. What? It's night. And it looks like we're inside a storm. We need to be ready in case we have to. General, we are struck by lightning. No! Oh no. It's in critical danger. Oh no. That's not good. Does that mean we will die? Of course we will. That's why I wanted to be the first one. So if we all have to jump out, I call being the first one. And I won't take a jetpack. I mean, unless jetpacks exist in this one. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me there. Wait, out there? Yep, out there. We all have to die, you know? And that's fine with me. See, I was waiting for this moment. No, it's not. It's just down here. Look. Well. I just did what I wanted to, and it was a great accomplishment. I know it's a pretty short video, but I killed myself a little too soon. So, so I'll be posting every Friday and Sunday, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's really short, but I died really early. It was not part of the plan, but I really want to jump off. I didn't think it would kill you, but it did. So, yeah, also comment what you want the next video to be about, and maybe what your favorite part of today's video was. So, yeah, and other than that, I think that's it. Bye!